Hello everyone, and today I receive another things which is the fridge. And my life's getting better day by day, and let's have a look. So this is the fridge, and yeah, even though it's not big, but I think this is just good enough for me. And it's still leaking. And finally I managed to bought some groceries. I bought some green onion and fish, yeah, like fish cake maybe, used for the Yong Tofu one. This one's freaking expensive, 98 yen. Yeah, oops. Yeah, right. And this one, I should have listened to my sister. She asked me why I didn't bring anchovies. Yeah, anchovies. And freaking expensive. I should bought one. And for the drink, yeah, coffee latte. This one also quite expensive, but compared to the convenience, this one is like maybe 40 yen cheaper. Alright, my favorite, yeah, countryman, but I prefer the matcha version. And yeah, right. Just mineral water to survive daily. And the last one is Calpis. This one I think 178 yen, so roughly around maybe 2 4, yeah, maybe around 8 ringgit. This huge, pretty cool, right? Because 8 ringgit in Malaysia maybe like around this size. I'm not sure because I never buy Calpis in Malaysia. And you know, as you can see the sound here, all the plastic bag. Now I know why in Japan they sell all the shopping bag. Yeah. Right, so maybe because of to save nature. And compare with Malaysia, they practice a Saturday no plastic bag on Saturday. And yeah, and I noticed another thing is, for example, like this water, previously I bought around 78 yen, and but today 90 yen, so which is around 20 yen much expensive. 多分日によって違うかな、値段が違うかな、多分ね、わかんない。 Maybe depends on the day. I don't know. Okay, that's all from now, and stay tuned.